An intense storm brings heavy rain to South Africa's western and eastern Cape, causing flooding, evacuations, infrastructure damage, and at least one fatality in Knysna. Rising rivers and overflowing dams submerge roads and force residents to seek emergency shelter as authorities rescue stranded community members.
Severe thunderstorms and multiple tornadoes strike southwestern Mississippi, U.S. overnight, damaging hundreds of homes and injuring at least 17 people. Lincoln and Lamar counties are among the hardest hit areas with widespread road closures and downed power lines reported.